So, have you ever looked at your sibling and said, I wonder if we can map our age difference on a graph, a table, and an equation if we could look at the patterns over time of how much we grow up? And the answer is we can do that after today's lesson. So, Carrie and her sister Kim were born on October 25th, but Kim was born 2 years before Carrie, so Kim is the older sister. How can you represent the relationship between Carrie's age and Kim's age in different ways? So we've learned, right, we know Kim is 2 years before Carrie, older sister. There's different ways to map out patterns in math, right? And that is through a table, an equation, and a graph. That's what we learned today. So let's first look at the table. Since Kim was the older one by 2 years, when she was 3, Carrie was 1. When Kim was 4, Carrie was 2, 5, and 3, so on. Alright, and if you can see here, we can see that these are two variables. So if I have two variables, I can use an equation. Right? I can write an equation. So let's call x Carrie's age, and then y is Kim's age. So from the table, we can see that y is always 2 greater than x. Okay, so let me write that right here. Okay, these are my x values. Right? And these are my y values. Every time, the relationship between x and y is that I need to add 2 to x in order to make it equal to y. So, my equation is going to be y equals x plus 2. Right? 2 years older. Kim's 2 years older than Carrie. Right? And then I can plot these on a graph. So what they practically did right here, okay, is that I drew a graph. Let's just start like this, okay? And then when Carrie was 1, right, so let's draw an XY graph with an equation, so x, and then y. So when Carrie was 1, and my equation is y is equal to x plus 2, right? I plug in that 1 plus 2 equals 3. So I go 1, 2, 3, 3, like that. Okay. And you could even say, when Carrie wasn't born, Kim was 2 years old, so I do 2, and then 2 gives me 4. 4. Like that. Okay? And then so on. 3, 5. Alright? So I call these my x values and my y values, and these are my coordinate points I'm just plotting on the graph. Right, and then once you do that, you can see that they connect, and they are growing in that direction. Okay? So, I want you to try out this problem right here. Okay, set an equation like we did with the word problem before, and then write it out as a table, an equation, and a graph. Alright? Go for it.